So guys, ever since I applied for the Apple Card and my card has been en route for days, I got the stupid idea of what would happen if we unbox it with fire. Hear me out. So the Apple Card is made with titanium, so in theory a normal fire should be able to burn the cardboard and plastic and whatever, and the titanium Apple Card will still be left standing. It would be super impossible to make a fire hot enough to melt titanium in my backyard. So this is what my Apple Card looks like after I succumbed it. Is that a word? Succumbed? Whatever. So this is what it looks like after the fire. It definitely looks like it went through some stuff. Like, I would suggest not burning your Apple Card if you were wondering. It looks pretty cool and like grunge. The back though, hopefully your chip works, because the back, the magnetic stripe is completely taken off. It's kind of like stuck up there with glue, so it melted right off. So what I'm gonna do now is see if this works. It actually doesn't really smell that bad, and you can kind of see the paint is like chipping off. So in theory, if this got hot enough, we could maybe burn all of like the paint off and just have like solid aluminum. So it's not gonna have that white look. It's gonna have like a metal, like raw titanium look. But my only concern is this thing right here. So the EMV chip, right now in its current state, it doesn't look bad, but there are a few bumps in it, so I don't really know if it's gonna work or not. So right now we're gonna go to Walmart. We're gonna buy just something to test it out. They have self-checkout. I don't want the cashier judging me when they see this. If I wasn't such a chicken, I probably would have created some better content inside of Walmart. But as soon as I go into like a public place, I'm super freaked out because I'm sure they don't want me filming in there anyway. And when you're at self-checkout, people are like watching you, the workers there. So I tried to record it, but basically what happened, I put the card in with the chip and it just immediately gave me a card error. It did not hesitate at all. It was just immediate, like, that's some BS. You're trying to hack our system with your burnt ass EMV chip. So yeah, that did not work. Basically what I'm trying to say is do not try to unbox your Apple Card with fire, because just because the card itself is titanium, the magnetic strip on the back is plastic and glue and crap, and the EMV chip cannot withstand fire. The data from it will be corrupted or whatever. And also guys, just keep in mind that like I fully expected this card to not work at all. The big thing with the Apple Card is that you have Apple Pay for 2% back. I'm never going to use a physical card anyway. Not to mention there's a ton of other cards that are much better than the Apple Card anyway. I applied for it just so I could make a video on the application process and then just do an unboxing. I thought a ton of unboxings were done already, so I just did something creative like this. And alright guys, if you enjoyed that video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Have a great day. Bye.